On April 3rd of this year, the United Nations made an appeal for $2.96 billion to help the citizens of Yemen. According to The Guardian, the end of this year marks 3 tragedy-filled years for the people of Yemen, who have suffered from the Saudi-led military coalition's devastating and often indiscriminate bombing of their country. This has left the country in extreme devastation. The UN calls Yemen the world's worst humanitarian crisis. From their 29 million population, 22.2 million people are in need of aid. Over 85,000 have been forced from their homes. One United Nations spokesperson explained that the humanitarian aid Yemen is currently receiving is barely enough to help 10% of the population. According to The Guardian, nearly half of the U.S. arms exported over the past 5 years have gone to the Middle East, Saudi Arabia being their second biggest importer. This knowledge prompts me to propose one potential solution. This is that the U.S. needs to stop exporting weapons to Saudi Arabia. Humanitarian aid will only help for a time. It is crucial that the heart of the problem be solved first.